A control center for the Jamaica-Eye program has been established at the Olympic Gardens police station in St. Andrew. The multi-million-dollar project is expected to provide the police with real-time surveillance of priority areas. As Jamila Maitland reports, funding is being earmarked for more cameras across the island.
If you live, work or commute through sections of Olympic Way in St. Andrew, then you might have noticed the flurry of CCTV cameras in the area. According to Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, is part of efforts to increase the security systems under the Jamaica-Eye program.
From the Scotia Bank at 3 miles all the way to this station, ensuring that virtually no blind spots exist. 51 cameras.
There have been mounting criticisms that the government has abandoned the program following reports of downed cameras, the number of trained personnel to carry out maintenance of the system, and other infrastructural work needed for the program to become effective. We asked National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang about it.
We have a Jamaican company that has expanded and is providing service across the island. There are people who are trained, but they're small, and therefore when you had a challenge, you had to wait 6 weeks, 8 weeks to get the camera back up. That's not acceptable. We need a standard operating because that brings you near to 24 hours.
On Tuesday, a Jamaica-Eye control center was officially opened at the Olympic Gardens police station. Our news team was not allowed inside. However, footage from the Jamaica Information Service showed live feeds being monitored by police officers. A similar system will be commissioned in the Kingston West Police Division to be monitored by the Denhamtown Police Station.
Cabinet has approved a strategic master plan for the expansion of the Jamaica-Eye network. Over the next 3 years, we will add 2,500 cameras across Jamaica island-wide.
Several cameras have been set up at the intersection of Hill Avenue and Olympic Way here in St. Andrew. Now, residents and business operators who decline to speak on camera are welcoming the move. They want more cameras, though, this time on the off-roads.
Definitely more cameras are needed on the cut-off roads because eyes on the front can't see what's going on behind us. So definitely those cut-off roads needed.
The Prime Minister says an additional $5 million is being earmarked for this.
So for all the people who are quick to retort, where are the cameras, where are the cameras? You're going to get camera till you don't know what to do with it.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.